So in this session, we will be looking at how to add FAQs and how to use the FAQs button. FAQs is present in the option called as train, where you train the bot to answer questions in a better way. So over here in the FAQs option, we have FAQs which are already prepared in this particular bot. So for our company, for Nettyfish Solutions, we have prepared certain questions based on what the clients would ask us when it comes to certain ongoing questions, when it's a repetitive question which clients oppose to us. So those type of questions have been entered over here. So based on your business and based on your industry, we can create and format certain questions and answers which can be fed into the bot, so that whenever a question, for example, let's just say how much it will cost. If a client is asking how much will this particular product cost, so what the bot will do is it will note down this particular keyword as cost. So whenever a question arises to it saying cost, it will give out an answer that we have put inside the bot, saying if cost appears, this is how you should reply, this is how the reply should come out. So that is what we are doing here in FAQs. So we will be training the bot to answer questions in a better way and also in a productive way. So that is what we are doing in this particular FAQs format. So we can add as many questions as we want, so that all of these questions will be accounted for various answers. And whenever a client puts forth a particular question that the bot does not have in the builder option, it will be able to answer to all of those questions which are being put out in these FAQs. So if I want to add a new FAQ, what I need to do is you have to click on add FAQ and you have to add your question over here. So let's just say I'm putting a question saying how much will be the WACTO pricing for professional plan. So the response over here, I'm adding a message over here. For the professional plan, the pricing is, let's just say 999. And then I'm clicking on add FAQ. So this is how it will appear over here. So if any client gives out a question or answers or questions the bot saying how much will be the WACTO's pricing for professional plan, this is how the answer would appear to the client. So like this, we can add as many FAQs as we want, so that we can increase the betterment of the bot and the betterment of answering certain questions. In this session, we are going to look at what are attributes. So to begin with, what are attributes? Attributes are spaces where you can store data about a particular, for example, let's just have the subject as protein powder. So protein powder has many subheadings, like it has its price, it has the name of the brand, then it has various other things. So for example, like offers. So all of those are values which we store in an attribute. So attribute is a space where you store certain values. So in WACTO, we have an already generated list of attributes here. So you can download that list from here. So if you are going to address a person by his name, so for instance, let's just create a node saying hi, and open brackets and be like user dot name. So what will happen when we close brackets? Yeah, user dot name, and then we'll save this. So what will happen when we're saving this? When this message is going to a user, when it's going to a client, his name will be automatically taken up, and the message will go like hi Rajesh, hi Tanya, or anything else like that. So his name will automatically be taken up. So that particular attribute is a space where the names are stored. So the values are the names. So that's where it is stored. So in here, about where the attributes are stored, you can download the list of attributes from here by clicking on this download option. You can change the attributes and customize the attributes based on your requirement, and you can also delete the attributes if you want. So if this bot has certain set of attributes that you've created in the flows, all of that will appear here. If you want to add an attribute, you can also add an attribute.